Okay, so the first shot showed us the very similar angiographic image which we had last time. As you remember, FFR and IFR measurements showed us this LAD portion as a significantly stenosed, inducing ischemia. So right now, my plan is to make a procedure with IVUS guidance. This is another projection showing that this lesion is relatively diffuse for the end of proximal part and beginning of mid-LAD portion. We see that there are three, even four diagonals, which of them, the second one is the biggest one, the most important. The plan is to put one wire for main vessel, which is LAD, and a second wire for this second, or rather, let's say first diagonal. And the question is whether we need to predilate or not. But what is most important, we truly believe that IVUS assessment pre-procedural will tell us a lot of things regarding also potential protocol of intervention. Okay, so we are ready to pull back. I'm starting my pullback. So we are approaching most stenosed place, soft plaque with some calcifications. Now 270 degrees of calcium arc in the proximal LAD. Now we are approaching left main. Okay, stop. Trying to cover the whole, let's say, stenosed place. It's close to 40 millimeters. So personally, I don't like this approach because we really didn't establish so-called healthy zone for proximal part. And what I would like to say that we should cover. We should try to park with the first stent just before or just after the first diagonal.
But the second prediction with SyncVision,
yeah,
just from the distal to, let's say, more healthy proximal reference segment, is 33, 32. So maybe 33 will be optimal.
We can say easily we need to be higher, so more proximal. Tom, go up, 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 still. So we see the second diagonal coming, a lot of calcium. You were right. We need to park before the first diagonal, for sure. Then there is coming back to very good lumen, 8.4. The vessel is huge, around 5 millimeters. So let's calculate the length right now. So as I was talking about, that this is around 40 millimeters long stent. So 38?
38.
38. 3.0 or 3.2, 25 or 3.5. So I would go for 3.5.
3.5?
Why
not?
Let's go to the distal reference once more. Look at the lumen. The lumen diameter is 3.0. The vessel is 36338. So for
So,
distal, 325 would be
let's say a little bit a small plaque or just intimal.
Yeah. So 3.5, 30 millimeters, 38 millimeters.
Or 40, all 40.
Do we have 40?
I think from Orsiro. 3,5 Orsiro 40.
Okay. Okay, 40. Let's take 40. Okay. As you see here, there was no problem to tackle. This is 40 millimeters length. Okay, can you show me how, because I'm a little bit too deep, of course, but not so much. This is a kind of
Compromise.
compromise. Okay, let's
see.
Yeah.
But what we should next
we
do
need
to check the relation to circumflex at this.
So we need caudal views, left and right, to see how far we are from the LAD orifice.
It's
okay.
Beautiful.
Let's register it. Okay. So you see that we are in a really healthy portion right now. I guess then we can implant the stent. Let's go to.
I go back just for the better understanding of our job. Okay, I can.
Okay, so this measurement based on SyncVision was very precise and really fit. Okay, at least right now this is
14.
This is 14. We like these atmospheres. Okay, 15, 20 seconds. We see that there is much better expanded for distal portion. Okay. No, we need to work on the balloon. This is always problem with long stent. So to get back the let's say the
it's almost
contents of balloon takes time. But okay. I will try to pull it back. Right now it's not a problem.
Okay, and
so I wonder how is diagonal branch. I'm interested in this situation.
Okay, so I try to answer your question.
But patient is stable, 68 per minute, with a good pressure. Let's make just a moment. Yeah, I'm ready. Come on. See, there's no problem with two last bifurcation diagonals. No problem with septal branch. There is no problem with first diagonal. The small problem is with second one, as we predicted. This is 40 and C.
Yeah.
Okay. This is one, just nominal. Okay. Full expanded. Okay. Okay. Okay, I'm satisfied in terms of LAD. Now I think we should improve. We do something for the second diagonal, yeah?
2.0.
NC.
NC.
Just to cross. There was no...
8.
There was no really resistance when I reached the... So this is LED. This is
LED. This green is cyan.
Yeah. So.
So
Somebody can say why I really moved the wire. I risk something. Might be I risk something, but you know, there was a flow. There was visible entrance of this wire.
Very short lesion.
There was a very small lumen. So sometimes if you pull back the wire, of course, this is a kind of risk. But then you have much more space to insert a new guide wire. So I went in this direction, and luckily I found it out.
Focus on, yeah.
Yeah. Please connect. Back pressure.
So we have 3.5.
Yeah, but you know, looking at these images, I would say that we have to also think about bigger balloon for distal. But okay, let's try to analyze.
375.
Let's make angio. Okay, I wouldn't improve it more. For me, it's marvelous. I would stop.
I agree.